The Arenal Volcano Hanging Bridges is a private reserve in which there is an extensive network of trails. On them they have built 15 bridges that pass over the rainforest. Arenal Adventures will take you to the Hanging Bridges, a 100% ecological hike. Our guides are experts in the plant life and wildlife of this forest, making it possible to see many animals and birds. The hike takes approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes, going a slow pace given the natural richness that this paradise offers its visitors. The bridges offer a good vantage point to observe the forest from another perspective. At the end of the journey, we can enjoy the magical view of Arenal Volcano. If you are a nature lover, visit this destination. We are sure that it will fulfill your expectations. The Arenal Volcano Hanging Bridges are waiting for you.